That is the dance we're gonna learn today. In case you're new here, welcome to my dance channel. My name is Teoluckzboom and I do dance videos for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment what you think in the comment section. What dance do you want me to do for you guys? So today we're doing a dance tutorial on this trending I think John Jones. Yes, no, John Jones. I think it was one that remixed the song and it's trending right now on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, yada, whatever social media you have out there. It's trending now. So you can, it's a Christian song actually and it's trending right now. So if you want to do the dance tutorial, let's dive right into the dance tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and subscribe down below. Let's dive right into this tutorial right now, right here. The first step in this dance tutorial is so first you drop it like this. That's the first step, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that one, the next thing to do is you wind your hands, then do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting to 8 times. 8 times, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it 8 times. 8 times, guys. 8 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you count to 8, then what we do is to do 1, 2, 1, 2. So we are getting this. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you get, guys. Hope you follow me, guys. You gotta be following me. I literally gotta be following me right now, guys. Let's go on the start game. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think, guys, that's the first step in dance. The second step on the dance tutorial, basically, second step, do 1, 2, do 1, 2. The next step is you mash. This is your my right leg, as your left leg, actually. So you mash 1, 1, 2. I think mash to this side, open, close. You get right? You get me, guys? Let's go start. 5, 6. Let's do in slow mo so you get it. 1. I think 1, 1, 1. So let's go from the start so I can get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mash. That is. Hope you are getting it, guys. So in case you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Subscribe for me, guys. Like this video. Share it to whatever you guys that want to watch this tutorial. Comment what you think in the comment section. If any step is difficult for you, just comment in the comment section, guys. Comment in the comment section. Let's go, guys. Let's go one more time to that point that we have right now. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the next time after you do this, 1, You do 1, 2, 1, 2. Are you getting it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go on that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Listen. Once you do that step, once you do this, 1, 2, 1, 2. The next step is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, getting guys. Tell me you're getting it. Tell me you're getting it in the comment section, guys. Tell me you're literally getting it, guys. I need you to be literally getting it. Getting it. Right, I literally need some bottle of water. How can I get a bottle of water? Bottle of water. Let's just see right now. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4. 1. That's not me freestyling, guys. Basically, just me freestyling. So let's just do that one more time in slow mo. Wait, guys, let's go in slow mo together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically, in case you like this dance tutorial, kindly subscribe down below for me, like this video and comment, guys. Please comment what you think in the comment section, guys. In case you need any dance tutorial, let me know in the comment section. In case you do this dance tutorial, basically just put hashtag Teoluckzboom on your video, hashtag Teoluckzboom, so I can share it for you guys. Share it, then everybody else is subscribing and see, guys. And don't forget to watch videos over here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.